As we take a more in-depth review of the 240 Dauntless Pro, we can see this model specifically is a glacier green hull with white graphics, Pro Angler tower equipped already with the motor guide trolling motor with its own integrated GPS. The rear of the boat, we can see the 10-foot blade power pole and white Mercury 300 Verado 4-stroke. The blade power pole being the upgraded style, not only being 10-foot, but also running the quieter pump and quieter hydraulics. The white 300 Verado 4-stroke with an immense level of power. Just for note, with a 90-gallon fuel tank, 4,654 pound loaded weight, fuel, gear, people, boat motor, water on board. The boat has a top speed of around 57.2 miles an hour with the upgraded 350 Verado. As we climb aboard, the rear of the boat, you can see the 2 jump seats with removable backrest. Remove the backrest and we've got additional 4 rod holders and an enormous casting platform. We also have the rear live well. As we reach the front of the boat, you'll see the console seat with the live well up front below that is blue and LED illuminated. Up front, we've got an enormous sun lounge with cushions all around, backrest either side, easily opened and closed. Remove the cushions and we've got a secondary huge casting platform at the front. Open all the hatches and we've got foam-filled insulated coolers, fish box to the starboard, center, and rod storage to the port side with built-in rod racks. Opening the hatch at the port swim platform, you'll notice how clean all of the wiring is, very professionally done. We've got access to the flag breaker to the left, battery switch center. From the helm, you can see the stainless steel steering wheel, tongue twister for you. We've got the small accent, a Boston Whaler laser engraved into the center cap. You've got your Mercury DTS digital throttle and shift, which is extremely smooth, something I would challenge you to feel if you've not felt the electronic shift, is much better than the old days of cable shift and steering, being very stiff, requiring maintenance and or replacement. The electronic throttle and shift is amazing. This boat is already pre-rigged with Raymarine VHF, Fusion stereo, a large number of JL audio speakers that'll blow your eardrums out, as well as a Raymarine Axiom 9, pre-rigged with transducer, GPS, fish finder, and charts. A small detail, but something a lot of people wouldn't pay much attention to, is the access on the 240 Pro to the upper station. Many of the competitors' boats require that you step over the console on a small step, over your steering wheel, over your electronics, onto the center helm pad, and then up in the upper station. I'm 6 feet tall, 230 pounds, and don't find it very easy to climb my gymnast self up through that center console. Boston Whaler, as always, has used their innovation to use the side steps, no side glass, for me to come up the side and easily access that center station. As I stand atop the upper station of the 240 Pro, you can see the wraparound seating if you do want to jump back and put your feet up on the step here for the upper station, and you could sit against the backrest and drive comfortably, or you could stand on the C-deck anti-fatigue mat and drive with great visibility looking forward. We have the additional direct throttle and shift, or digital throttle and shift, another stereo remote with our Fusion access, access to our horn and trim tabs. If you had the optional jack plate, there would be an additional access to the jack plate controls up here, as well as the Raymarine Axiom 7, possibly a 5, but 5 or 7 inch Axiom Pro screen. Great view from the upper station, access to rod holders either side. In my opinion, would be a great fit for cobia fishing, spot fishing, that if you're gonna drop that eel out of your 5-gallon bucket, that you're ready to do so and spot fish. Hey, thanks for watching. Come out and see the boat for yourself at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, or online at marinemax.com.